What's up, y'all? Phil James coming back to you. All right, you guys know how I am about the current events and all the craziness that seems to take place around my area. So this is a little campground, lake, pond, whatever you want to call it. My buddy John and I are over here. We didn't realize that this drain was like so old and so deep. Look at the stone down here. Like, so that's just cool. I don't know who built that, but check this out. Another big old sinkhole here in Delaware, Ohio area. And this one's deep, my friends. The road's like separating.
That's scary, bro.
I know, I wouldn't even stand on the asphalt.
I was going to go out there and take some photos.
This is crazy deep, my friends. Yeah, asphalt's weak as could be,
How
bro.
are we gonna fix this, dude?
Cake it in with more and more and more big time stone.
Dude, I can't believe this. I can't believe it.
Guys, I'm telling you, the world is literally falling apart. I mean, look at the hole. It doesn't look very big on the surface, you know what I'm saying? But that thing is deep, my friends. That is a deep, deep sinkhole. I walked out wide, bro. I went all the way against the tape. And I'm guessing this cone right here is marking how deep, how far this tunnel underneath seems to go. Yeah, it's in line with it. So the hole under the asphalt goes all the way to that cone. I'm standing just inside the caution tape over here, trying not to fall in a sinkhole because that would not be cool. This is a deep mofo. Watch walking closer, bro. That asphalt's weak, homie. John walking right up on it. I cannot believe. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell. This is a deep sinkhole. Here.
Ready?
Yeah.
At least 15 foot, probably.
Yeah, it's at least 15, 20 feet. It might be more like 30. Kind of looks like Ohio down there on its side. You guys see the big asphalt chunk? Ohio on its side. So, yeah, John and I had to come see for ourselves. I bet we could stomp through that, dude. I mean, seriously, asphalt is so weak.
This is unbelievable, dude. I've never seen it like this.
Like, look how far back that goes. Guys, the world is falling apart. It tunnels all the way to that cone. I know. It's amazing what some water can do to all human inventions. But John and I have been in and around Delaware all our lives, and we have never seen this spillway here. I did not realize it was this deep. That's mind-blowing to me. I cannot believe that sinkhole, though. I just had to get footage of it, guys. You guys know how I do with the sinkholes. I've filmed quite a few now in and around my area, and it seems like they just keep happening. It is not very cool.
What guardrail real new.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
Who built this well, dude?
It's a massive like spillway, dude.
Who built it?
I don't know. That's a deep sinkhole. Damn, I might have to go get my selfie stick and stick my phone down there just so you guys can see just how far and just how deep that is.
Go down there, dude. Go down that tunnel.
So crazy. 2020 is absolutely insane, my friends. Massive sinkholes. This thing is so deep, my friends. I can't even begin to tell you. I just have to try and show you as safely as possible because it tunnels all the way out to that cone at least, and you can kind of see the asphalt where it is. But here it is in comparison to my bro John, which is dipping down in. That is a deep sinkhole. Look at that, my friends. Damn. And then just so you can see how far it tunnels. It tunnels way down there, and it's easily a 20-foot, 30-foot drop from street level. But here's the weird thing. Check this out, my friends. Massive sinkhole here. There's a campground right here, and this is their lake. Look at their spillway, their massive stone spillway. John and I have lived here in Delaware all our lives, and we have never seen how deep this actually is. Isn't that crazy? I just had to show you guys the sinkhole. More crazy sinkholes here in the Delaware City, Ohio area. It's starting to blow my mind, my friends. Just blow my mind. And like I said, the hole goes all the way over to that cone. The asphalt dips in right there, all the way to it.
I wonder if they got any pictures of it being built.
That's a good question. So crazy, my friends. So crazy. But I just had to show you guys. Much love. God bless. Keep an eye on your surroundings. You never know. They might just fall in the ground below, like right beneath you.